How to allow or don't allow apps making changes to contacts on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and in here tap on Screen Time. After that, we scroll down and then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next in here, we go down to the Privacy section and tap on Contacts. And at the top here, you can choose Allow Changes or Don't Allow Changes. Now, if you make a change, you need to enter the screen time passcode. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.